Mario here. First of all, congratulations for getting the YouTube Digital Market Blueprint checklist. Now this is going to help you merge YouTube and digital marketing together. So I'm happy to present that to you. The first thing I want you to do is to go to your email and make sure that we're not marked as spam, make sure we're not marked as junk. And then if you don't see our emails, make sure we're not in the promotions tab, because oftentimes our email gets lost in those things. So make sure you go do that first. The second thing is I'm going to show you how to use this lead magnet. Now, the three things that I'm focused on helping you do with this lead magnet and with what I teach is to do three things: videos, 2, build an audience, 3, sell product. Now, this is going to be for YouTube creators, content creators, and digital marketers who want to turn their passions, ideas, and hobbies and the content they create and using YouTube and digital marketing to expand their reach and sell their products. Now, inside of this lead magnet, there are going to be some specific ChatGPT prompts that I have given you so that you can get ideas on the different steps of this. And so in the checklist, you're going to write down the top choices from the results that you get back with what we helped you come up with these prompts. Once you write it down in the checklist at the very last page, then you're going to get to work to start creating the things that you have come up with throughout this checklist and throughout this product. Now, we're going to have additional resources that we're going to send you via email to help you along with this process. One of these is my book called Digital Marketing Simplified, and that's going to go directly hand in hand with this checklist to help you get started in your business. Now, it's really important that I've included some links inside that checklist, inside this PDF, and it's going to be specifically to help you with that particular step. So make sure that whatever links are inside there, make sure you check those out, watch those videos, because that's going to help you give you a bigger picture of how to do those three things I said: make videos, build an audience, and sell products. Now, often I find that the thing that people have a big problem with is implementation, right? You get the information, you have the knowledge, you have the steps, but sometimes it's hard for us to stay focused. We need an accountability partner or a mentor or something like that. So just as a special bonus for you, I've come up with this 3-course bundle to get you started right. Now, on the last page of this PDF, there's going to be some additional resources so that if you like to go further and you need maybe a coaching call or something like that, or our membership community might have the support that you need if you want ongoing support. So it's called the Online Simplified 3-course bundle, and I'm going to tell you what's inside it. The first thing, you're going to get my Biz from Scratch course and everything that has inside it. Then you're going to get 2 one-hour coaching calls with me. One is going to be for us to sit down and strategize what your next steps are to help build your business, so we can make sure you're on the right path using the right strategy. The second coaching call is going to be something that you and I sit down after you've implemented the steps that we talked about in the first coaching call. It's kind of a follow-up to an accountability to see where you are and where we can make changes or shift. And inside the Biz from Scratch course, there are worksheets, there are downloadable resources, and there are video lessons. This is self-paced, so you can go at your own pace. You'll also get the Online Profits Made Simple workshop. You'll get the 5-day challenge where we dive down deeper in each of the 5 steps you'll learn in that workshop. So it's a 5-day deep dive. And then you're going to get my newest book, Online Profits Made Simple. So you'll get all of these things in the bundle. Now, all of this is backed by our 7-day money back guarantee. So you'll have a week to explore the materials and see what all the course has to offer. And if you're not completely satisfied, then you can ask for your money back and we'll give you your money back. Now, just as a special offer, in addition to this course bundle, we'll give you about 50% off of our membership, which is ongoing coaching and mentoring. Because once you get these 3 courses, they're going to set you up to win, but the mentoring and the coaching is going to actually just help you stay accountable to make sure we're hitting those milestones in those courses. So once you buy the 3-course bundle, you'll get 50% off of our membership for lifetime. And so this offer is good. Let's say if you want to enroll in the membership and get some mentorship, ongoing mentorship, maybe 2 months down the line, we're going to send you a promo code and you'll be able to take advantage of that. So congratulations for taking the first step. Go ahead and make sure you dive into that checklist and then scroll down below and make sure you check everything that the 3-course bundle has to offer. Sign up for that 3-course bundle, and then later on down the line, we'll help mentor and coach you. You will get 50% off that membership. So take care. Peace and blessings.